Today, I wanted to talk regarding Shopify CRO conversion rate optimization. Now, imagine you started a store, started running well, you created ads, and you built an amazing store. But suddenly, you see that you are not able to meet your expenses. You realize that you are in the loss. Do you want to be in a situation like this? A good store definitely, may look good on view, but we are looking for actually those stores which can increase our sales. They are primarily known as CRO based optimization, conversion rate optimization based stores. With the help of various CTS call to actions, we work on the stores and we help clients for those. So this is another amazing case study for Shopify CRO conversion rate optimization case study where we were able to help a client to optimize and increase his sales, and it's a complete workflow. There are various channels being used. We used multiple things to optimize the experience, so I will try step by step to go in maximum detail possible to show you guys how we were able to increase their sales using various CRO conversion rate optimization tactics. So let's get started over here. So I'm going to show you over here. First of all, let's see the data first, and then we're going to discuss regarding few other things. Okay, so I'm going to refresh you so you guys have a clear idea that this is not something. Okay, so you can see around over here that this year we have so far got an increase of 148% sessions, 41% in sales, 47% in orders, and 86% in gross sales. So how we were able to do it? So there were few things which were we need to be done. Again, it's a complete teamwork. It's not an individual person work. So credits to my team who worked hard to make it a successful project. So we use various things. First of all, I'm going to show you few things as well, so guys have an idea. Okay, so we primarily used this is a StatCounter is an basically software which is being used to analyze traffic, people coming, how much time they are spending, looking around monetization, what other page they are doing. So this helps us specifically for the fraud click analysis. We use this. Along with this, we also use clarity. I'm going to show you the clarity part. So now we are also using the clarity. I'm going to show you the clarity over here. I'm going to make myself smaller so guys have a clear idea how we are segmenting. We are finding around on what they are doing on the website, what sectors they are looking around. So the clarity actually helps us in that as well. The pages, the popular products, popular entries. Along with this synchronization with the Google Ads account, I have a dedicated case studies for Google Ads account, but this time I wanted to show you how a good CRO based Shopify store can alone increase and multiply your sales. So again, it's a team effort. So apart from this, now I'm going to show you. Now this is a website by default. Whenever you land on the website, you see this is a welcome offer, 3% off. Okay, after this, sometimes you can see around over here, you see around here you need help choosing equipment, you can reach out the support. So you can see around over here we added few things. First of all, like we added a WhatsApp over here, so that a consumer can direct communicate and contact with us. Apart from this, few things were also being added. I'm going to show you, like I think that there is a color psychology as well. If you study and read around on the color psychology, you may realize that some are warm colors, some are cool colors. So the colors can also have an impact. So I think whenever there is a something related to health is concerned, I think green plays a crucial role. Now I'm saying this in a few minutes, but it took countless of research. We did various experiments to figure out. I'm going to show you a few more things which we added. Apart from this, see around over here that we added the reviews part over here. I think that the reviews also connect our pricing, bundling with other products, showing the payment methods. Okay, this also helps with the GMC Google Ads, but this along with the bundling products helped us in optimizing sales. See around over here, you may also like then these factors over here, customer reviews, what people are saying, and then your speed optimization, search console issues. I think that a second late is a second lost. I do not want my users to think of something else when they have opened my website. So we had to show that the speed must be really fast for the end user, like this around over here that you can see around how fast this has loaded. So we actually feel that the speed optimization also plays a role apart from bundling small add to carts. Okay, now what we do is we usually work with our clients on WhatsApp groups. So I'm going to show you the few more things as well. See around over here, your social media is over here. You can share on the social media. You can, okay, this alone contact us on WhatsApp actually multiplied our sales, which is why we realized, and what we created was, after this, the second error comes in, do you need help, do you need any assistance? So that was like this, need help choosing equipment. So that was thing which we realized that some people are confused before they wanted to buy, which is why we added this part. And these alone do two things, increase our sales. Now this needs data. For the data we use Clarity, for the data we use StatCounter. Now StatCounter on all of these things also helps with us fraud clicks. When you're running on Google Ads, either you're running on Meta Ads, you need fraud click setup, essentially, importantly, so that you can cross verify if real people are coming or visiting your website, or if there are any fake people visiting your website. So which is why I think that this also plays a crucial role. Okay, and a thing is that how your website is being loaded on this device, on mobile, on tablets, and on other devices also plays. And then the like speed, you see around over here, speed plays crucial role. Your popular products, how you have lifted your main page, and how often you are mailing your existing users. See around over here, premium pick is over here, what we are selling. And then a complete optimization with the Google ads or Meta ads or whatever the marketing channel you are using to acquire. That makes a perfect case study. I'm going to show you another thing, maybe you like it or not, but few changes which were being done over here. This is Microsoft Clarity, StatCounter. See around over, we added the search over here. The search counter helped us slightly. See around over here, we added limited stock available. Now this word limited stock available may sound something like normal, but this also worked on our sales. And the contact us, I have told you and explained. Add to cart, all matching the same colors. We even change the colors. Even now you can see this green and this green have an impact. So we keep on changing. We use these colors as well. Buy now, orange, green, to see if that works, if that can increase the sales. And then we look around on at the start of the month the sales, at the end of the month the sales. So all of these things matter. See around over here, see around over here, the speed optimization. So all in all, needs a perfect. This may sound the sales you see over here may sound catchy, attractive, but this requires a lot of work. You wanted to see sales in the millions, you need to work a lot. So yeah, this is a case study of not only running ads, but this is definitely a Shopify CRO conversion rate optimization case study. So what exactly CRO do is optimize your store so that you can make more money. So if you need help in creating your Shopify store, if you need help with your existing store, if your existing Shopify store is not generating sales, if you need help with Shopify customization, we should be your full-fledged company. We are not only Google partner, but we are also Shopify partners. So if you need our services for your Shopify store, or if you want to start your online e-commerce business and looking for someone to create a Shopify website or even a WordPress website, we should be a full-fledged company. We have been working around. See our reviews on Trustpilot, see our certification, accreditation with Google. You may realize that we are one of the pointing companies working around. So if this sounds someone who needs this service, do reach out. Send us a message and we'll love to help you. The details regarding our company is mentioned in the description of this video. But just for revision, our company name is AARSWebs.com, AARSWEBS.com, a Google partner company, and we look forward to working with you for your Shopify customization, CR optimization, and Shopify web store development. Thank you so much, and we look forward to working. Take care, bye bye.